Hello everyone, today I will show you how to compare answers from Perplexity versus ChatGPT. And here's how it is done. 1. Pick the same question. Use identical wording for both. Test multiple categories. Factual, dates, definitions. Analytical, compare pros or cons. Creative, stories, ideas. Instructional, step-by-step guides. 2. Keep conditions equal. If you want a fair test, avoid giving one model extra context or sources unless both can access them. Disable extra tools or plugins unless both have the same. 3. Gather the responses. Paste them into a side-by-side table in Google Docs, Notion, or Excel. Hide which is which if you want to test blind. 4. Compare using clear criteria. Criteria: what to check. Accuracy: fast, correct, no hallucinations. Sources: are sources cited? Credible? Depth: does it go beyond the basics? Clarity: is it easy to follow? Well structured? Tone: formal or informal? Neutral or balanced? Creativity: originality in ideas or examples? Speed: how quickly it responds. 5. Score them. Use a 1 to 5 rating for each criterion. Tally the scores for a quick view of strengths and weaknesses. 6. Test more than once. Run the same question at different times or on different topics to see if platforms hold. And that is everything you need to know about how to compare answers from Perplexity versus ChatGPT. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.